Welcome to the Animal Rescue Station. I'm the Animal Keeper Kiki. Let's use a drone to find out which animals need our help. Drag the center position and locate the injured animals. A picture is taken once you locate. A giraffe with injured neck is found. A hippo in need of water is found. A dirty penguin is found. Choose a truck and pick up the injured animals.
मज़ीद इस तरह की वीडियो हासिल करने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
Follow the animal icons and you will find the injured animals. Drag the animal onto the truck. Take them back to the rescue center for treatments. Let the animals move into the new dormitories. The giraffe's neck is injured. Let's help check it up. The bones are crooked. Let's put them back in place. And then splint it. Drag the sticker to decorate the bandage. The giraffe likes to eat all kinds of leaves. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The giraffe lives on the grassland. Goodbye, giraffe. is an oil leakage on the sea. The penguin is covered in oil. Spray with detergent. Let's examine the interior of the penguin. There are so many bacteria in its stomach. Well done! The penguin loves the cold environment. Let's make some snow for it. Look! The penguin is so happy! The penguin likes to eat shrimp and fish. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The penguins live in Antarctica. Goodbye, penguin. The hippo spends most of its time in water. Water is very much needed for it. The hippo has been out of water for too long, and its skin has cracked. Let's apply some ointment. Apply a waterproof Band-Aid. Make an inflatable swimming pool for the hippo. The hippo is so happy in the water. The hippo likes to eat all kinds of aquatic plants. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The hippo lives in the reeds by the river. Goodbye, hippo. Wow, this dormitory looks awesome! Wow, this dormitory looks awesome! Wow, this dormitory looks awesome!